So, hi guys, welcome back to my channel CBSE 9th and 10th। तो आज हम पढ़ने वाले हैं पार्ट 4 फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन का। और इस सेशन में हम जो है सब कुछ यानी कि सब कुछ हम नेल कर देने वाले हैं। पूरा सेशन में लेसन ख़त्म होने वाला है आज का। ठीक है, 3 सेशन हमने किए थे और ये चौथा वाला है। इससे पूरा लेसन ख़त्म हो जाएगा। पहले आज तो हम पढ़ेंगे वुमेंस के सिचुएशन के बारे में। उसके बाद हम पढ़ेंगे अफ्रीकन्स के बारे में। और उसके बाद हम पढ़ेंगे एवरीडे लाइफ। तो आपको जब मेरे सेशंस अच्छे लगते होंगे तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करिए मेरे चैनल को और बेल आइकन पे क्लिक करिए, तो आपको क्विक से क्विक जल्दी से जल्दी नोटिफिकेशन सबके मिल जाएंगे। ठीक है, तो चलते हम हमारे पार्ट 4 पे यानी कि लास्ट सेशन पे बढ़ते हैं फुल जोश के साथ। तो चलो, मैंने कल के सेशन में और प्रीवियस सेशन में मैंने आंसर्स आपको ये दे रही हूँ। ये मैंने क्वेश्चंस दिए थे, उसके आंसर्स हैं। आप जल्दी से इस क्वेश्चंस पर जाके नज़र डालिए, फिर मैं अगली स्लाइड पे बढ़ती हूँ। ओके, तो आई होप एवरीवन हैज़ लुक्ड अप द आंसर्स। अब करते हैं स्टार्ट। हमने तो भाई पढ़ा कि वुमेन्स जो है ना, ये बहुत ही एक्टिव थी। थ्रू आउट द इवेंट ऑफ फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन वुमेन वर वेरी एक्टिव पार्टिसिपेंट्स। पर उनकी लाइफ में कुछ अलग चेंजेस हो गए। वुमेन ने रेवोल्यूशन किया, ये तो एक बहुत बड़ा क्वेश्चन है। पर ये इस सेशन में क्वेश्चन हम ख़त्म कर देंगे, इसका आंसर हमें मिल जाएगा। सो इन्वॉल्वमेंट हैड होप गेटिंग द मेजर्स ऑफ इम्प्रूवमेंट इन लाइफ। तो इनकी जो इन्वॉल्वमेंट थी उससे तो लग रहा था कि भाई ये तो उन्हें जो उनकी जो लाइफ है वो स्पॉइल नहीं होंगी, वो कुछ चेंजेस होंगे, गुड चेंजेस। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम पढ़ते कंडीशंस वुमेन। थर्ड स्टेट वुमेन अनएजुकेटेड एंड वर्किंग, डोमेस्टिक सर्वेंट्स थे, लैंडलेस थे, लॉन्ड्रेसेस थे, नो जॉब ट्रेनिंग, जॉब की कोई ट्रेनिंग नहीं थी, ना कोई जॉब थी अच्छी खासी, और पढ़े लिखे भी नहीं थे। जो daughters and nobles and wealthy members of third estate, they used to study in convent. But what about the poor people, poor women? They weren't studying. So women political club, let us understand about the women political club. So objective of women political club was to discuss voice and the interests of the women. There were 60 clubs which were started, but and they demanded to get the equal opportunities, equal political rights. But out of these, most famous club was Society of Revolutionary and Republican Women. Very important club, you can say, right? This was a very important club. Now let us understand the Constitution of 1791. I told you, new constitution was set up in the last session, if you remember. That what it is telling us about. So reduced women as passive citizens only. Reduce women as passive citizens only. Women and revolutionary government. Creation of state schools and schooling for women was made compulsory. Forced marriages, एंड दिस जो मैरिजेस थे वो फोर्स करके मैरी करना बंद हो चुका था। इट वॉज रजिस्टर्ड अंडर अ सिविल कोड. डिवोर्स केसेस वर मेड लीगल एंड इवन बाय वाइफ्स. नाउ वाइफ्स कैन ऑल्सो टेक द डिवोर्स. ट्रेनिंग फॉर द जॉब्स. इट वॉज some could become artisans, some could run small businesses. उनके अपनी अपनी ट्रेनिंग दी थी, अपने अपने जॉब पे कमा रहे थे. वुमेन इन रीन ऑफ टेरर यानी कि रॉब्सपेयर का टाइम. तो क्या हुआ उस टाइम पे हम वो जानेंगे. ऑर्डर फॉर क्लोजर ऑफ वुमेन्स क्लब. banned all the political activities. Most prominent women were arrested and most of them were also executed. मैंने आपको कहा था रॉब्सपियर ने क्या किया था. He used to kill the people, execute the people who were against him. तो ये वुमेन्स जो थी उनकी अगेंस्ट थी रॉब्सपियर के, उन्हें मार डाला. Right, it was like for a Robespierre it was like a game to killing a person and executing it. It was become a game now. Okay, next one. Fight for suffrage for women continued for 200 years, and though through an international suffrage movement during 19th century and early 20th century. In 1946, women of France got a right to vote after so much of struggle. Abolition of slavery. Colonies and in the Caribbean such as Martinique, Guadeloupe. Very difficult words, you can just break it out. Guadeloupe, San Domingo were important suppliers of the commodities such as tobacco, indigo, sugar and coffee. Daily life needed things. Europeans were not ready to work in such a far places which caused the shortage of plantations. अब क्यों कैसे slavery आ गई? This is the birth of slavery. I can name it as the birth of slavery. Okay, just a minute. Birth of slavery. Actually, I don't have that much space to write this word, so just understand. Birth of slavery. You can write. There is a topic named abolition of slavery in your textbook. You can write in a bracket birth of slavery over there, right? So what had happened? This is the birth of slavery, which begins. We have also learned in 8th standard, right? This is also known as the triangular slave trade. Why it is known as triangular slave trade? By looking at this diagram, you can understand. This is America, this is Africa, this is Europe. When I join these, I get a triangle. When I join these, I get a triangle, and this is the reason why it is known as a triangle slave trade. Okay, now beginning of 17th century, most of the ports of Bordeaux and Nantes off to the Africa. The slave trade were branded and slaked, packed tightly into the ships and 3 months. For 3 months. So can you understand, these people of Africa, they were tied to the ships for 3 months and sold it to the plantation owner. So like pets, they used to just, pets were also given much value than them because they were treated like any worse living creature on the life on this particular earth. So they were sold to the plantation owners. They were helpers for demand in the European market were sugar, coffee and indigo. They were helpers for growing this. Now end of slavery system. एक जो अच्छी चीज़ रॉब्सपियर ने की थी वो थी ये, एंड कर दिया स्लेवरी का. In 1794, Jacobin regime under the convention freed all the slaves in the French overseas possession. But later, Napoleon, I told you Napoleon Bonaparte, he again reintroduced slavery. In 1848, this slavery was abolished. Right, it was abolished. Now last part of this session, that is the revolution and our everyday life. The changes in life of people, liberty and equality practiced in everyday life, abolition of censorship, declaration of right for man and citizen, proclaim freedom to speech, and expression of a natural society. Freedom of press, opposing views of event, plays, songs, and festivals attracted large number of people to give a important, very important, I can say, message. So dateline, this is very important dateline. In 1774, Louis XVI became the King of France. In 1789, a State General meeting was called. In 1791, the Constitution was framed. In 1792 to 1793, France became a republic and king was beheaded. In 1793 to 1794, Reign of Terror. In 1804, Napoleon became the Emperor of the France. 1815, Napoleon defeated in Battle of Waterloo. 1848, abolition of slavery. 1946, women got voting right. I would erase all this and you should take a screenshot. Very important thing. Okay, now I am moving. So this is the end of a French Revolution. Now this is end of the session. Now I would request you to tell me or comment if you have any doubt about the session. Right? You can comment and always like, share as well as subscribe to my channel to get the quick notifications. Right? Like, share and subscribe to my channel to get the quick notifications. So goodbye. I would be coming with the next session with a new lesson. Till then, take care. Goodbye.